Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is Thursday, June 18, 2026, and this channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia. Markets cooled overnight after Kevin Warsh delivered his first FOMC press conference as Federal Reserve Chair. Bitcoin slipped to $64,496, down 1.71%, while Ethereum dropped to $1,753, down 1.75%. Three stories matter for traders in the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand today. Issue 1. Warsh delivered a hawkish first meeting, and risk assets felt it. The Federal Reserve held rates at 3.50 to 3.75%. But the dot plot shifted sharply. 9 of 18 voting members now project a rate hike before the end of 2026. And 6 expect 2 hikes of 25 basis points each. The press conference signaled that rate cuts are off the table for now. Bitcoin lost more than $1,100 in the hours after, and $401 million of crypto positions were liquidated within 24 hours. For Southeast Asia, a stronger dollar means a weaker peso, dong, and rupiah, which lifts the local currency cost of every USDT purchase. If you trade against domestic currency, expect wider spreads on remittance corridors through month-end. Issue 2. Singapore added Bybit to its investor alert list on June 17th, just 13 days before the Monetary Authority of Singapore enforces its June 30th deadline. On unlicensed digital token service providers, Bybit Fintech Limited is now publicly flagged as not licensed or regulated in Singapore. This is not a criminal charge, and Bybit is not banned globally, but it follows the same path Binance took in 2021. Before losing local banking, marketing reach, and Singapore dollar rails, Bybit already lists Singapore among its restricted jurisdictions. This is a regional regulatory signal, not just a Singapore story. If you route trades through SGD on-ramps, verify your exchange status on the MAS Financial Institutions Directory. And consider a test withdrawal this week. Expect Bybit liquidity for SEA pairs to tighten as Singapore-based market makers reduce exposure. Issue 3. Meta launched a stablecoin payout pilot for creators using USDC on Solana and Polygon, settled through Stripe. Access is currently limited to a selected group of creators in the Philippines and Colombia. Payments settle directly into a wallet the creator controls. And the funds can be held, swapped, or off-ramped to peso through supported venues. This is the first time a major social platform has chosen stablecoins as the default payout rail for OFW-heavy markets. For Filipino creators and remittance recipients, the structural read is positive. Lower fees, faster settlement than card or wire payouts, plus a direct on-chain trail for accounting. The risk is that USDC on Solana or Polygon is not yet a fully regulated stablecoin in the Philippines, under the latest BSP framework. So volume thresholds and reporting rules can still change. Watch for BSP guidance during this pilot window. Today's 3 stories. 1. Warsh goes hawkish. BTC slips below 65K on dot plot shock. 2. Singapore adds Bybit to alert list, 13 days to June 30th cutoff. 3. Meta pays creators in USDC on Solana, Philippines pilot live. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Chart analysis and trading insights, join our free Telegram channel, link in the description. See you in the next one.